The coronavirus has spread almost all over the world at this time. This coronavirus, which started from the city of Wuhan in China, has now become a serious threat to the world. At present, the fourth phase of unlock is going on, but conditions are not getting any normal. So far, a large number of people have lost their lives worldwide. At the same time, the number of people facing the infection of this disease is also increasing all over the world. Amid growing cases of coronavirus, the world, including India, around 150 companies in different countries are engaged in making vaccine for its treatment. Many have reached the third phase of its trial. However, in the meantime, the World Health Organization has said that progress on the COVID vaccine is better, but it is unlikely to be used before 2021. So far, about 32 million people have been infected and about 9.8 lakh people have lost their lives. According to the WHO, the coronavirus causes a mild infection in the respiratory tract as commonly seen in the common cold. Although the symptoms of these diseases are very common like runny nose, headache, dry cough, sore throat and pain, feeling tired, shortness of breath and etc. Patients suffering from COVID-19 are greater risk whose immune system is weak. Out of the total cases, only 1% of the cases are serious, while 99% of these cases are mild cases and can be treated at home without any special attention. What you can do to treat yourself at home if you have a mild case of COVID-19. First is cleanliness. Cleanliness is most important. Wash your hand with soap several times a day. This will prevent further spreading of the virus. Viral droplet spread by coughing, sneezing is one of the primary way that COVID-19 is spread from person to person. Have plenty of tissues on hand to prevent transmitting it to other people in your family. Many people with COVID-19 have a strong cough. In this case, one should consume honey and ginger, which may help to alleviate cough. If you have asthma or any other respiratory conditions, it's essential that you continue to take your routine respiratory medicines. Zinc has become one of the most popular suggestions for reducing symptoms of coronavirus. Although there is no direct evidence at this time to suggest that using zinc can prevent or treat COVID-19 in people. Zinc does have antiviral properties and was shown in a laboratory study to inhibit the replication of coronaviruses in cells. One can increase zinc intake by consuming foods like beans, nuts, whole grains, fortified cereals, and dairy products. Vitamin C has many roles in our body and has been linked to impressive health benefits. It supports the activity of our immune cells, especially when they work more than they should. It is good to take 1 to 3 grams of vitamin C per day on top of a healthy diet. You can get vitamin C by consuming guava, bell pepper, kiwi, strawberries, oranges, papaya, broccolis, tomatoes. Turmeric and ginger both have incredible anti-inflammatory properties and also very high in antioxidants. Further, ginger fights off cold and relieves stomach-related problems. Turmeric also has hundreds of active chemicals and is a great pain reliever. You can either add them fresh or juice them to get the full spectrum of benefits. If you suspect you have a mild case of COVID-19, you will need a thermometer to check your temperature twice a day. It is recommended that you should isolate yourself at home for at least 7 days from the onset of symptoms until you get symptoms free. And if still your symptoms get worse, call your healthcare provider. Gloves, soap, hand sanitizer, mops will prevent the spread of COVID-19 in your household. Separate your personal clothing so that you can stop further spreading of the virus. If you are sick, you need to stay in a single separate room away from the other people as much as possible. Ideally choose a room with a separate bathroom. Moreover, the WHO has also given some guidelines to prevent the spread of this deadly disease. Do the 5 help stop coronavirus. Although no vaccine has been prepared so far to fight this disease, the officials of NIH, National Institute of Health of America, have said that vaccine is being made to fight this disease and soon trial will start on humans. Apart from this, it is treated like a common cold disease in which it is advised to take a lot of rest, to drink more fluids and to get fever and sore throat medicines. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.